Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing great, guys. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much and you are welcome. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. Today I'll be presenting to you smoked mackerel fish. Okay, I know a lot of you guys like it being smoked. Very easy to make. Let's get started. Here is our mackerel fish and it's frozen. I'm allowing it to sit for a while for it to defroze, okay? So now that our mackerel fish is unfrozen, I'm going to start cleaning our mackerel fish. I'm going to smoke only 3 pieces of fish, and here is my scissors. I intentionally got closer to the camera for you to see how I do it, okay? A lot of people find it complicated for them to remove the internal anatomy of the fish, but it's very easy, okay? Just watch what I do. It's very easy, guys. After using your sharp object to penetrate into the fish, okay, so this is it. You just use your hand and then remove the unwanted things that you don't need from the fish, okay? Like I said, it's as easy and simple as that, and I have removed all the grills, okay? So this is it, guys, and our fish looks clean already now that we don't have those items inside of our fish, and time for us to use water to clean it, okay? So this is it, guys. Make sure you rinse it proper. Make sure you rinse it very well, and you know how the smell of fish is. In fact, I rinse it a lot of times before dipping it into this bowl of water. So inside this bowl of water, I'm going to add my vinegar, okay? You know vinegar helps to remove a lot of smell, especially in fish. So this is what I'm doing. I added vinegar into the bowl of water, and I'm going to clean my fish into the water, okay? Into the mixture of my water and then the vinegar. So guys, this is it, and then I had a very clean fish. You can see that, guys. Next step is for me to use paper towel to dry our fish, okay? I just don't want a lot of water, or I'm just making sure to, to minimize the amount of water into our fish, okay? So look at it, guys. It looks so neat. And here is my roasting rack, okay? So after arranging my roasting rack, I'll then add a little bit of salt into our fish. That's what I'll just be using. I'll just use salt onto our fish, okay? As you can see, I'm rubbing our salt onto our fish, okay? So this is it, guys. So time for us to start smoking our fish. I like mackerel fish a lot, but I prefer it being smoked, okay? So I'm then adding in my oil, okay? So this is vegetable oil. The oil is to prevent it from sticking onto the roasting rack, and I'll do same to the roasting rack as well, okay? This is just for it to simplify the process of your smoking and for the outcome to be beautiful. You can decide not to add any oil, but the end result might not be very good, okay? So adding the oil or rubbing it onto the fish and the roasting rack might make the end result be awesome, okay? So, and in the process, I'll also be adding or rubbing the vegetable oil on top of our fish, okay, or on the body of our fish, just to prevent it from dryness, okay? So our fish is almost ready, guys. See how beautiful it is. Thank you so much for coming to watch this episode, guys. I really appreciate. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up and then share this video. Shalom, peace out.